Hey guys, welcome. I'm Jordi and today I bought a Ford Escort Mk2. It's a car from 1976. It has a 1.3 liter engine and me and my brother are going to rebuild it. At the moment it's just a piece of rust, but we are going to fix it up and make it into this.
Today, a gallon of petrol costs around 80 pence. The Ford Escort 1300 does 44 miles per gallon at a steady 50. Today, you do more driving on motorways than ever before. At the motorway speed limit, the Ford Escort is cruising. Today, congested cities make parking increasingly difficult. The Escort is only 13.1 foot long. Today, the average family has 2.2 children. The Escort can comfortably carry 4.2 people. Today, there are more long vehicles than ever on Britain's roads. The rally-bred Escort can accelerate from 30 to 50 in 6.5 seconds. The Ford Escort. It's the right car for the kind of driving you have to do today.
First of all, we are going to disassemble the front. So first we are going to remove the grille, the headlights and the front bumper. And then we will see where we go next. Hey guys, it's the next day. Yesterday we removed the grille, the headlights and front bumper, and today we are going to attempt to remove the engine of the car. As you can see, there is a lot of rust, but we are going to first remove the radiator, then we are going to remove the bolts on the back of the engine that are attached to the gearbox. And then we are going to try to lift the engine out. So now the hood is off the car and also the radiator is removed. Now we will proceed to unhook all of the cables and the wiring, and then we are going to remove the bolts from the exhaust manifold and from the back of the engine onto the transmission. And just like that, guys, we removed the engine. We had a bit of a struggle because we forgot to remove the starter motor, but once that was out, it was pretty easy to get the engine out. So now we are going to put the engine into a crate to rebuild a later time in another episode. So here you get a good look of the Escort Mk2 engine. It's a 1300 high compression engine. We will rebuild it in the future. It has all the parts on it that we need, and it also turns over. So I'm pretty sure it's still good. The car also just had about 60,000 kilometers on there. So I don't think that it will have much more kilometers on the engine, but you never know with these old cars, of course. But that's something for in the future. Hello, Jordi from the future here. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let me know in the comments, or if you have some advice, you can also let me know. We made a lot of progress removing the engine out of the car, and in the next episode you will see us remove the interior, the glass, and also the gearbox. So it will be mostly stripped by next episode. I will mostly upload the videos on the Saturday because it's most convenient for me. That's because I have to work in the weekend, so I edit these videos in the weekend, mostly on Saturday. So that's when I also will upload. But yeah, I hope I will see you next week. Bye bye.